Alright, you look like you're doing things pretty much right. You started off by defining the number of moles, which you took molality times concentration. So 0.25 times 0.235, it looks like. So 0.025 times 0.235 is 0.005875, which you've written down as 0.0058 mole. And you told me that's magnesium nitrate, which is correct. So far you did everything right. You did that first step right. And here's where things went wrong. We do have a two-step problem here to find the theoretical yield. But you've looked for KNO3, and if you read the question on 1B, it says, what is the theoretical yield in grams of the solid precipitate magnesium hydroxide? So you're working through with KNO3 here instead of magnesium hydroxide. So you've set it up correctly out of the bottom that you have your magnesium nitrate, MOGNO32, but on top you'd said 1 mole KNO3. And what you actually need on top are moles of MgOH, which means mole of MgOH is down here too. So 1 goes here, and the balanced equation 1's here. Of course, I'm looking for grams on top. And down here will be our last molar ratio. On the bottom is still 1 mole Mg nitrate. Alright, so everything is the same except you just had the wrong number on top, because you're looking for potassium nitrate when the question asks for magnesium hydroxide. Now, magnesium hydroxide has a molar mass. Magnesium hydroxide of 58.3 grams. So that's what's going to go up here, 58.3. So these moles cancel, these moles cancel. 0.0058 times 1 is 0.0058 times, well, 58.3. So I get 0.0058 times 58.3, which gives me something like 0.338 gram. Now I come back and I look at you, and you've done KOH2, and that KOH, when you did it, you found 0.0078 mole, which I'm going to assume is right since the other one was right. So I have, 0.0078, just like you did. And now I need to make the molar ratio. And again, you're looking for KNO3 in the way you've done the work, and I asked about MgOH. So you're almost the same. The bottom of this is exactly what you did. 2 mole KOH. You were right. Over here, the bottom, that one just needs to be 1, because it's with grams, mole of, in this case you're looking for MgOH2, the solid. Which means this has to be moles of MgOH2, which is 1 of those, not 2 of those. And on top I need the grams again, that molar mass we found up above, which was 58.3. So I'm going to take 0.0078, I'm going to divide it by 2 and multiply it by 58.3. So I get 0.0078 over 2 times 58.3. And I get like 0.22 grams, which is of course smaller than what I got on the first page, which was a 0.3 something. So this one has to be my limiting. And it has to give me a total product of 0.22. So KOH was still limiting in the other one, which was correct, as it has to be. But in this case, you're just looking for KNO3 when you were doing the work, and the question asks about MgOH. So everything you did was right. The only little misstep is you solved for the wrong substance. So you're like 95% the way right, and on a test I would acknowledge that. So you look like you're on the right track, and hopefully this clears up any little misunderstandings outside of that.